Okay, let me get a couple more things ready. How everybody doing today? I'm here today to do my wife's wig right here. Redo it, fix it up. She's been working hard, beauty clothes. So, relationship goals. I can do it. I can get it done. I seen it on Facebook. So, as a relationship goal, being a good husband, I went on YouTube and found out how to do my wife's hair. Now, first thing I seen was alcohol, 51% or 91%. For dip it on the towel and put it around the forehead to make the wig come off. Be with me, y'all. Let's hope this works. That's it. Not too much. I don't want to drip down blind my wife. Ooh. This is going to be the hardest part for me, y'all. How much to put on? How much so it won't leak out, drip down her face. Fingers crossed. I don't want to start at the top just in case it drips down, it won't hit her. Ooh, like I'm peeling your forehead off. And I'm about to see all your brains. This is gonna be something new, fellas, something new. But hey, relationship goals. I'm gonna feel like salt. Got my man, bam, pull that forehead back. That's what like I'm about to do to you. Ooh. It's coming off. Okay, guys. Woo! Don't look at your wife different when this comes off. It's the relationship goes. Now, when I'm done, I'm gonna put this on there. Well, I'm gonna try to my best ability. Hope I don't. I see on YouTube somehow I gotta cut this down. To a certain extent, I think I'm gonna try right here. Cause you wanna see some of these girl foreheads with lace fronts. I don't know if they forehead or lace front. You all the way down to the eyebrows like this. So be with me, y'all. Got my fingers crossed. I pray when it's done, it's gonna look perfect.
I think I did a video when I was 1 month in, or 2 months. Now I'm 4 months in. And I have not retwisted it since my first video that I showed you about my dreads. Here they are. I need to retwist them because me wearing these wigs, it's hard to put a wig on with all this hair. Looks like I have a big old giant head. But this is how it looks at 4 months. They're locking up, finally. Last time you seen them, they were braids. I did a little back combing on some of them and it helped out. They're locking up fine. I don't know how I'm going to wear it, what style I'm going to wear it in yet. Up to Jerry Johnson for keeping it real with me about my edges in these wigs. I love her to death. Put her channel up in a second. Maybe at the end of the video, but yeah.
So, the next part I see on YouTube is where I got to cut this down so it won't be flopped over my right head like, you know, I ain't going to say, but. So let me see. It actually said, cut down the middle. And I got cut right here, a little zigzag. I want it to look real. Come on, y'all. Pray that I get this cut right. If I don't, I'm going to get into a fight.
need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Rule number 1, fellas. Not drop your white wig. Next part is the going step. So, go. Wow! Ghost bond, $20. Whoa. I see how expensive hair stuff is. Hey, I guess it costs. Let's get hair done. So I'm gonna start first with 1 drip. Come on, 2 drip. 3 drip. Ain't not funny, I really drip around. 4 drips. 5 drips. 6 drips. 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost like connecting the dots. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I used 18 because I wanted an even number. Bang, there it is. So, next I have to put it down like this. You gotta smooth it in. So it'll be perfect on the line. You see that? Perfect. Ooh! Oh, that's so perfect. I think I should have been a surgical doctor. Let's see. Now, blow dry. Pray that I don't burn my white forehead. I say keep it a far distance, but not too close. Too close can cause heat damage, burning. The thing I can't remember is how, okay, put on till it seems dry. Okay, getting real sticky. Hey, this is not fun. This is a very serious thing right here. You have fun with it. Sometimes maybe you sit back, think of your favorite tune. So, next step is I'm gonna it said apply this and then put on the second step. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to make sure the line is perfectly right there with the forehead at. Back a little bit so it won't get stuck. One on there, one on there. I'm about to old creepy D. We put on. Let me see. So next. So next step is to grab the glue again. I can afford a discount. Remember, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, you pulling this part on the glue exactly. Not before it, not after it, exactly on it. Couldn't you see that? That's coming on perfectly. When you put it on, if I don't let you know this is one of the hardest parts it's gonna be for y'all. You're supposed to hold it down. thumbs up and let me know if you like it. Guys, don't be scared when relationship goes. If you love